With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have this question where we have to give balanced chemical equation for the following word equation that is given below. That is, potassium permanganate reacts with HCl hydrochloric acid to give us potassium chloride, manganese chloride, chlorine and water. I have highlighted the reactants with yellow and the products with green. So now let us write down the reaction in terms of chemical formulas. So we have potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, reacting with HCl to give potassium chloride, that is KCl, plus manganese chloride, that is MnCl2, plus chlorine and water. So what we see, we have 4 moles of oxygen, 1 mole of hydrogen in the reactant side. In the product side, we have 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen. Now only in this and this oxygen and hydrogen is present. So first let us deal with that. Now we have to make such a change that the number of hydrogen in the reactant side becomes double the number of oxygen, because in water molecule we see that only 2 hydrogen is present whereas 1 oxygen is present. So that means the number of hydrogen should be double the number of oxygen. So with this we have 4 oxygen and we have 1 hydrogen. We have to add 8 before H. We have to add 8 before H to make this possible. On adding 8, we get 4 oxygen and 8 hydrogen. For that we have to add 4 over here, so we get 8 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. So hydrogen and oxygen becomes balanced. But now to compensate the chlorine, we have 2 Cl here, 2 Cl here and 1 Cl here. That means we have 5 chlorine in the product side, whereas we have 8 chlorine in the reactant side. So definitely this is not going to work. What we do, we double this. Whatever we have used, we double it by just doing into 2. That means 2 KMnO4, this will become 16 HCl and this will become 8 H2O. Just a minute. 8 H2O. Now if we compensate by adding 2 over here and 2 over here, we see we have 2K in the reactant side, we have 2 moles of potassium in the product side. We have 2 manganese, 2 manganese. We have 8 oxygen, we have 8 oxygen in the product side. We have 16H, we have 16H. Now we just have to compensate the number of chlorine. Now how do we do that? We first count. We have here 16 Cl. Over here we have 2, 4, 2. That means 8 Cl. How do we make this 16? We have to use the same rule. If we add 5 over here, we get 10 Cl. And on getting 10 Cl, we get 10 plus 4, 14 Cl, and 2, 16 Cl. That means we get 16 Cl in the product side. So this is the way you need to balance equations. So the final equation will be 2KMnO4 plus 16HCl gives 2KCl plus 2MnCl2 plus 5Cl2 plus 8H2O. This is your complete answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.